너의 앞에는 거대한 블랙홀이 있어. 네가 살면서 느껴본 적 있는 부정적인 감정을 그 블랙홀에 던지면 그 감정은 블랙홀 속으로 빨려 들어가 마법처럼 너에게서 사라진대. 하지만 그러려면 먼저 네가 느낀 그 감정이 무엇인지, 왜 그 감정을 느꼈는지를 인지하고 있어야 한대. 너는 이번 달에 속상하거나 답답하거나 우울하거나 화가 나거나 기분이 좋지 않은 적이 있었다면 그것은 무엇 때문이니? 그 일이 왜 네가 그런 기분이 들도록 만들었는지 알고 있니? 그것을 많이 알아낼수록 너는 더 자유로워지고 더 가벼워질 거야.
In general, there's no single reason for me. When I get upset or angry, it is usually because of small things, such as having to tell my kids for the 727th time to sit down at the table and eat. You probably think I'm exaggerating, but I'm not. The real problem isn't my kids not eating. The kids never mean to frustrate me. They just want to go play more than they want to finish their meal. The problem is, I am tired of repeating myself with no change in the outcome. Whatever the thing may be, it's frustrating and exhausting to work hard at something and see no results. I don't know if I can really send these types of things into the black hole though, because tomorrow I will again be reminding my children for the 728th time to sit down and eat. But recognizing that I'm not actually mad at my children does make me feel a little better. And maybe tomorrow, on reminder 729, it will help too.
Hi everyone, interesting topic for this week, right? Start of March. What is mean to a student? Start of March, start of spring semester. So as a master student, this semester is kind of challenging for me. And this week was really difficult to me because I have to choose the classes. If the classes are not fit with me, I have to drop that class. Most importantly, I have to think about the thesis that I will gonna submit when I'm gonna graduate. So this semester I have to start my research on that. So this week was kind of challenging, and also I was really busy, kind of getting out of the rhythm after the vacation. So busy, kind of little bit depressed with that, and also hopefully it will gonna be really enjoyable semester for me, and so hopefully it will gonna be helpful for my future also. Bye bye.
I was packing my stuff in office and I saw the files which I've tried so hard to finish it well. And I saw the papers on the files and the shadow covering these files. I was standing there and seeing the warm light making its own space. And I thought, the shadow covering the files is like my depressions, my blue, and the fans to lock me. And I thought, the little scare box lightening on the files is my air pocket to make me breathe. It's like photosynthesize. And back to the questions, my depression was I felt locked and limited. But now I'm free from that, because I got a new job.
출발합니다. The stop is Hyun.
여기 혹시 뭐 내릴 가는 거 없어요?
다들 얘기를 하니까 한번 마련하게. Hi, I'm Ben. The first thing came out to my mind for what makes you feel upset is the corona. Every time I got to see my friends, the coronavirus held me back to stay at home and to be afraid of being sick as exposed to coronavirus. Even now, almost all of my friends got sick for the coronavirus, and it is only me left as a survivor. It makes me feel so frustrated. If I could throw away anything to the black hole, I definitely go for the COVID-19 virus. In addition to this, I should say at this moment, I'd like to throw away the current war in between Ukraine and Russia. I feel sorry I can help it what happens in the world. Hopefully everyone's safe from the coronavirus as well as from the war. So it could bring the peace all over the world as soon as possible. Thank you. Bye.
앞으로도 부정적인 감정들은 너에게 계속 찾아올 거야. 하지만 그럴 때마다 그 감정들이 무엇인지, 어디에서 온 건지 잘 알아두고 있다가 블랙홀이 다가올 때 그곳에 던질 수 있다면 그것들은 사라진다는 거 기억해줘.